Chloe, come here. You gotta get over. Come on, you gotta get over.
You climb over the gate and call them.
Come on, Chloe. Come on, Chloe. Jump. Woohoo!
Go on, Kaylee.
Did you done? Dance.
Ooh, did you pick up the doggy? You gotta not pick her up.
Right in the gut.
She get ya?
Yeah, with her claws.
Okay, come on back out this way.
Okay.
Chloe, come here.
Ow.
Come on, Chloe.
Well, jump back over, Chloe. This is pretty funny.
Chloe's getting her exercise. Whee!
There's nothing, Fiona, I promise.
Come on, Chloe. Is she jumping?
Stay back.
Come on, Fee.
You gotta go meet it, Chloe. You get to go back there too. Come on.
Chloe, who's such a good girl? She says, I'm done.
Chloe.